Camden, London, United Kingdom, January 5, 2025. Saw its first snowfall of the year on Saturday as authorities issued weather warnings for snow and ice across the UK over the weekend. The snow began falling late Saturday as parts of the UK braced for disruption amid heavy snow and cold weather sweeping across the country, with a yellow weather warning in place. Northern England, the Midlands and Wales are expected to be the worst hit, with the wintry weather forecast to bring 20 to 40 centimeters, 16 inches, of snow in places, according to BBC Weather. Higher ground in Wales and the southern Pennines could see between 15 centimeters and 30 centimeters of snowfall, forecasters said, with warmer air causing rapid melting south of the warning area through Sunday.
러시아의 başaramasak yapmış bölge hastasıyla Siriya konuda sohbedilen ডিভোর্সাসেন এমন গল্পের মধ্যে চমকে দেয় একটি তথ্য চারদিন ঘুরছে রাশিয়ার
A second yellow warning for snow, covering much of northern England including Leeds, Sheffield and the Lake District, is in place until midnight on Sunday. The Met Office said some rural communities could be cut off, with up to 40 centimeters of snow on the ground above 300 meters before conditions improve on Sunday afternoon. The Met Office has warned of possible power outages and travel disruption. There were several flights delayed and diverted at Bristol Airport on Saturday night. The airport reopened at around 11 p.m. local time but warned that challenging weather conditions were still present. There may be delays on Sunday morning as some aircraft are not in their proper positions. Passengers are advised to contact their airlines, Bristol Airport wrote in a statement. Ahead of a week of low temperatures, the UK Health Security Agency (UKHSA) issued a cold weather warning for the whole of England on Friday. A warning for snow and sleet covering much of Wales and central England including the Midlands and the northwest cities of Liverpool and Manchester, is in place until Sunday afternoon. A separate warning for snow covering much of northern England including Leeds, Sheffield and the Lake District is in place until midnight.
সারা রাত প্রচুর পরিমাণে স্নো পড়েছে, এখনো পড়ে যেতেছে।